Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick makeup look. This is my go-to like 15-minute makeup routine, and I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is like a new favorite of mine, so I wanted to incorporate that in the video. So if you want to see how I get this easy, quick makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, jumping right in, my foundation shade is actually number 235, if you guys were wondering. It's like a golden, warm tone shade, I would say. Just a quick side note, I am talking in the video because originally I wanted to make it a talking video, but the sound was kind of off, so I decided to do a voiceover instead. So ignore that. But jumping back in, I am gonna just dot my face first with the foundation, and then I do use a Real Technique sponge to blend everything out. I think this gives you more of a flawless finish. I have combination to oily skin, so this foundation definitely, I don't need any moisturizer. It does the job just fine, so I really do like it. And it also is super buildable, so I am only wearing one layer right now since this is a quick, easy look. And moving on to powder, I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder. You guys, this powder smells so good to start off, and I feel like paired with this foundation, it's just the perfect combination for me because I do have oily to dry skin. So for anybody that's like me, I feel like a loose powder is definitely good to control the more oily side because this is a hydrating foundation. And moving on to my eyebrows, I am using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. This is in the shade Dark. I love using a gel for my eyebrows, especially when I am in a rush. I feel like the gel just kind of like naturally goes on your eyebrow. Like I really don't have to do much. I'm literally just shaping my eyebrows, but I just do this so quick. It's actually kind of crazy. So if you are looking for a gel, and especially from the drugstore, I would definitely recommend this e.l.f. eyebrow kit. So next is my eyes, and for my eyes I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Peach Extended Palette. I love this palette. This is my ultimate go-to, and I'm just taking this burnt orange shade. You can definitely use any, warm tone shadow that you have, and I'm literally just gonna blend this all over my crease. Okay, next I'm going to apply some mascara to my eyes after I've curled them. This is probably the most time-consuming step of my routine. I've considered getting lash extensions. I know that'll save me so much more time for this routine, or just do my makeup in general. But anyways, I do apply a lot of coats of mascara because I do like the falsy effect. And I am using my L'Oreal Telescopic, which personally I think is one of the best mascaras. Okay, then to add a little bit more color to my face, I am going to be using my Milani Baked Bronzer. This is in the shade Soleil, and it actually glided on super smoothly on top of the Fenty foundation. It literally gave such a flawless finish. Okay guys, and going back into my eyes, I'm going to take the same shade I used all over my lid, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Since this is a quick look, I sometimes skip this step, but I want to show you guys because I do like how it ties in the eye look. Okay, and for highlight, you guys, I am going to use this golden shade from the palette. It's not super bright or shimmery, so I kind of like that. It still keeps the look a little bit natural. And I am going to put that on my nose as well. And lastly, I am going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade Abu Dhabi. I love this shade, you guys. I feel like it complements the eyeshadow pretty well, and it's still super natural, so I love that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.